I'm new here was my quote of the day every day when I first moved to the Rockies and felt like I did something completely not cool or cringy in front of a bunch of people who were rock stars at what they were doing.
At least I saved the beer.
I'm new here. The first time I went backcountry skiing with a group and was the slowest one on the mountain. I blame the wax. No, I was just scared. Yeah, I'm new here. When a pro mountain biker, buddy of mine from work, taught me the basics of downhill mountain biking. Woo! I remember after briefly going over some basics in the parking lot of the trail, like, you don't actually sit on the seat on the way down. You kind of crouch behind it in a static squat. Who knew? Not me. I'm new here. It was a fairly wide downhill trail, and I was so gripped, but so stoked and excited, and said to my buddy, "Oh my God, I'm doing it!" He's in front of me, and he turns around on his bike. He's got a sandwich in one hand. A sandwich! And in between bites, he goes, "Yeah, you are." My knuckles were literally white from holding on so tight. Instantly, I felt like, well, I suck. But I kept doing it. I kept trying. And now that trail seems like a tiny baby trail for babies. Woo! I mean, could I comfortably eat a sandwich on it? Nah, that seems like a stretch. You gotta keep coming back, because I have learned through an extensive amount of imposter syndrome in life, work, sports, you name it. You're never gonna feel ready. You're never gonna feel like you've taken enough lessons to even deserve to be a beginner. To send or not to send? That is the question. But you might actually find a lot of these niche sports communities are filled with quirky weirdos. And the only one not accepting of you is you. I left my sanity back there somewhere. Even after years, for me, I'll probably never feel super gnarly or cool. But that's cool. And hey, I'm new here.